Right, question 9. The probability that Linda wins a game of darts is 1 in 4. Linda plays 2 games of darts. Complete the following tree diagram to show the probabilities of what can happen when Linda plays 2 games of darts. Okay, so 1 in 4 games she wins, which means she loses 3 in 4 games. That makes sense there. Okay, that would be game 1. When you do game 2, okay, you're going to need 2 sets of branches. Okay, that's how tree diagrams work. The reason why you need 2 sets of branches is because in game 1 you've got two possible outcomes. It could be that she wins game 1, which means you go along this branch here. She's won the game. So in game 2 then, you go from here. So she could have 2 possibilities then in game 2. She could either win or she could lose. And you need to write that down. If they don't draw the trees for you, you need to just put the information in. Linda wins, Linda loses. Okay, so Linda wins, again it'll be 1 in 4, okay, and then she loses, it'll be 3 in 4. It'll be the same, because she hasn't suddenly improved all of a sudden. It's the same probabilities. Now, we need to have another set of branches down here, because it could have been in game 2 she lost, okay, so in game 2 she lost, maybe, so she'd go along this branch, and we need a set of branches then to go from here, okay. So in that case then, she could either win game 2 or lose game 2. Okay, going from having lost the first game. So you've got 1 in 4 chance here, 3 in 4 chances there. So we've done our tree diagram. Part B then says, calculate the probability that Linda loses both games. So loses both games, well there's only one possible way of doing this, that branch and that branch. So it'd be 3/4 loses times then 3/4 loses the second game. When you times fractions, times the top, 3 times 3 is 9, times the bottom, 4 times 4 is 16. And you've answered the question.